Let's see what today's world is up to. Okay, that might look fine, but do you see what I see? Already told Marcy that wasn't safe. Another one on my list. Interesting posture. That's an adversary if I've ever seen one. Airports, always something happening there. And the shipyard? Yep, saw that coming. On my list. Everything looks normal. Wait, hold up. Oh no, nope, absolutely not. You're on my list too. Not today. How am I going to get them to learn awareness, safety, alertness? I know. I'll build training for every one of these problems and make them all take it. Want to learn how Parabl breaks through brain barriers and delivers training that sticks? Visit parablai.com. Stay alert, stay aware, and stay purple smart.